Sick of having those ugly portable air conditioners sticking out of your windows in the summer? Not willing to shell out for the ductwork required for central air? Ductless air conditioners may be what you need. Ductless air conditioners are also more energy friendly than central air that uses ducts, as ductless units don't fall victim to the 20 to 30% energy loss caused by the air moving through the duct. So if you're looking to cool your home more efficiently and without installing ductwork into your home, a ductless mini-split air conditioner system is what you want. Below, find the best ductless air conditioners available as well as everything you need to know before installing a ductless system. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Pioneer Diamante Series Ductless Mini-Split Air Conditioner. Editor's Choice. The Amazon's Choice designation that is applied to popular items on the Amazon platform does not always mean that the product on that page is right for you, but it's a good place to start. In the category of mini-split ductless air conditioners, the Pioneer Diamante series has earned that designation, so it's a good idea to take a closer look at what this unit delivers. First, we find that there are several different size units available in this series, from the modest 9,000 BTU product up to the robust 36,000 BTU version. Of course, the right unit for your needs will depend both on the space you need to cool as well as your available budget for this purchase. Buyers of this product will appreciate the complete package that it delivers upon arrival. You'll have everything needed to get started. This includes, among other things, the indoor and outdoor units, 16-foot line set, remote control, and vibration-reducing feet. With a full set of equipment delivered along with the units, you'll simply need to have the unit installed and you should be up and running quickly. Among the various advantages delivered by this ductless air conditioner include its ability to serve as both a heater and an air conditioner, and the minimal noise produced while in operation. The ability to flip between heating and cooling means the unit is useful throughout the year, while the quiet operation means you don't have to deal with the annoying racket produced by some of the lesser models on the market today. Number 2. MRCOOL DIY 36 HP 230B25. Do you want powerful and efficient heating and cooling system that is easy to install? Then the ideal product for you is the new MRCOOL 3rd Gen DIY ductless mini-split heat pump with enhanced Wi-Fi. Designed to make setup quick and easy, the MRCOOL DIY is flexible enough to be installed virtually anywhere without requiring specialized tools or expensive equipment. Number 2. The 36,000 BTU 36 unit is 16-seater and designed to efficiently heat and cool a single 1,500 square feet room system that is easy to install. The new Smart HVAC app is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. 3rd Gen DIY ductless you can control your DIY anywhere with your Apple or Android smart device and an internet connection. The MRCOOL DIY is flexible enough to be installed virtually anywhere without requiring specialized tools or expensive equipment. This unit is shipped in 2 boxes. The 36,000 BTU unit is 16-seater and designed to efficiently heat and cool a single 1,500 square feet room. The new Smart HVAC app is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control your DIY anywhere with your Apple or Android smart device and an internet connection. When it comes to doing it yourself, the MRCOOL DIY is your best option. This unit is shipped in 2 boxes. Number 3. Cooper & Hunter Mia Series. For smart home enthusiasts. As one of the leading names in this market, Cooper & Hunter has built a solid reputation, and that reputation is continued with the Mia Series Mini-Split. With this line, you can easily pick out the right unit size for your home and the room you hope to cool. Whether you want to control the climate in your living area, a bedroom, or any other space that sees a lot of activity, this split unit is up to the challenge. If you enjoy integrating as much technology as possible into the operation of your home, the optional Wi-Fi module is something you'll want to carefully consider adding to your purchase. The addition of this module enables Wi-Fi control over the mini-split, meaning you can manage its operation with your smartphone. Of course, even if you decide to skip the Wi-Fi capability, you'll still enjoy simple management of the system with the included remote control. While it is necessary to have this unit installed by a licensed HVAC pro, you'll be happy to find that the package includes everything needed for that installation, so no other supplies should be required. Included with the indoor and outdoor units are a 16-foot line set, drainage extension, and more. Once the delivery is received at your home, simply bring out an HVAC Pro and you should be enjoying cool or warm air in the very near future. Number 4. Cooper & Hunter Sophia Series Mini Split. One of the great benefits of a mini-split system, as opposed to something like a portable air conditioner, is the ability to serve several rooms in your house with that one system. Of course, you'll need to pick the right unit to have that capability, and you'll find it here with the Sophia series from Cooper & Hunter. With this powerful system, you get an assortment of equipment pieces, including an outdoor unit, 3 air handlers for 3 different rooms in your home, and more. Those air handlers include one at 18,000 BTUs and 2 at 12,000 BTUs. For optimal flexibility in the installation process, this unit comes with a 25-foot line set, which is one of the longest you will find in this market. Not only does this system make it easy to cool or warm 3 different areas in your house, but it also makes the operation of each indoor air handler as simple as possible. 3 remote controls are provided, so you can manage the settings of each indoor unit individually, dialing in the settings to just the right level for your needs. Want to keep one room warmer or cooler than the others? That's no problem with this versatile system. It's also nice to have coverage on your investment in this type of equipment, and that's as found here as well. Number 5. Klimaire Ductless Mini Split. Another strong entrant in the mini split market is the Klimaire Ductless Mini Split system. As with the other products we have described so far, this includes both an indoor and outdoor unit, and it has a 15-foot line that can be used to connect the two. While mini split systems are relatively straightforward overall, you will need to bring in an HVAC professional to take care of this project in your home. One of the standout features of this product is the remote control that will be included with your purchase. While it's common for mini split systems to include a remote, not all have the number of features and ability to control the system on a detail level that is seen with this model. Among the many things you can manage directly from the remote include the fan speed, heating and cooling modes, a sleep timer, and even a turbo function. If convenience is high on your priority list for this purchase, pay attention to what can be done with the remote offered by Klimaire. Number 6. Senville Aura Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump. Efficiency is an easy factor to overlook when buying a mini split system, since your primary focus will be on getting good performance in terms of heating and cooling. It's important to keep efficiency in mind as you shop, however, as a unit that pulls a lot of power while it runs is going to be expensive to operate. With the Senville Aura series, you'll be getting a system that is impressively efficient while still serving up outstanding performance. To control the system, you can either use the included remote or the available smartphone app. The software that runs this unit is also integrated with Amazon Alexa, so this will make an easy addition if you already use that in your home. Speaking of smart features, the indoor unit portion of this system has a built-in eye that can watch your room and detect when someone is present. That makes it possible to only warm or cool the space when people are in it, while not requiring you to do anything at the same time. One of the other standout features of this system is its ability to operate properly even when the temperatures outside are quite cold. Some heat pump systems struggle to generate any warmth when outdoor temperatures plunge, but this unit can be used down to -15*F. So, unless conditions in your area are extremely cold and fall below that mark, you should be able to trust the heat pump to help take the edge off the cold during the dead of winter. Number 7. Senville LETO Series Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump. Mini split systems are appealing in part because they don't require ductwork, but that's not the only selling point. The lack of space they require is a nice bonus, as are the many other features they can offer beyond what is available with a standard air conditioner. The Senville LETO series highlights this versatility as it offers up 4 different functions within a single system. Once the outdoor and indoor units have been installed and connected using the 16-foot line set, you'll be ready to enjoy all of these modes with just the push of a button. Those modes are as follows: air conditioning, heating, a fan, and a dehumidifier. That last one, the dehumidifier, can be particularly useful in areas where high summer humidity can make life hard to enjoy. Taking the edge off the humidity in your home will go a long way toward making you more comfortable, along with being able to bring the temperature into a comfortable range. The 18,000 BTUs offered by this unit make it capable of serving either a living space or a large bedroom. It includes a remote control that presents the user with many different functions such as a timer, sleep setting, turbo mode, and more. While you won't be able to manage this system with your smartphone, you can still get everything done through the convenience of a remote control that doesn't require you to get up next to the unit to make changes. Number 8. Senville SENA Quad Zone Mini Split. Of all the units we have included in this list, this is the one with the greatest potential to offer the performance you would get from a whole home air conditioning system. With 4 indoor units connected to a powerful outdoor unit, you'll be able to pick out 4 rooms in your house to provide with heating and cooling power. For most homeowners, picking 4 rooms mean you'll be able to make most of your home quite comfortable, including a living space, a couple of bedrooms, and maybe an office. The availability of 4 indoor units is the main headline of this system, but it's not the end of the story. There is also the fact that this system can be integrated with Alexa or controlled from your smartphone, and each indoor unit comes with its own remote for control that way, as well. Some of the intelligent modes that can run on this system include turbo mode for quick results, dehumidification, a timer mode, and more. Before you dive into the deep end with this large, powerful system, remember that the installation process will need to be handled by a qualified professional. In addition to the technical work of getting everything mounted and connected correctly, there is also the matter of layout to consider. The system includes 4 16-foot line sets to use for the units, but organizing them properly so they can all connect to the outside and still offer the right results in your home could be tricky. So, plan to get help from a pro to make sure this installation goes off without a hitch.